omukoro gwiciremo abeje baba scout ku rw'amashomero gataragamo na gamwe aho muri mu Rwambarara bamazira cyo kimwe bari kutendekwa ebikwatirine net scout
twashita heri izoba twayitera naha twaturya abantu bari kurengo muri maganana twenda kusima ba headmaster okohereza abana nsima baziro kwiciriza abana nsima bashomesa abari kwebembera aba scout abana bari kwebembera aba scout okumobilizinga bakaleta abantu
Nyiramahoro Alice, Chief Commissioner wa Uganda Scouts Association kandi obyali mjini mukuru nashaba scout okutoya ebirungi Baden Paul yakozere
reka ngo twine kuba courageous and determined byo nabyo turakora amani bagira ubumu bwenu y'abahanzi.
Chikunda scouting because I love to serve my country. I love my country and I sacrifice for my country.
The reason why I joined scouting was an activity that brings people together, and I was so curious about camping, so I joined scouting. Scouting is just bintu byinshi elime byokushomesa byinshi nobasa kuyamba batakwebasa nobasa kwega skills zira kuyamba omisho noyamba n'abandi bantu.